Studios, and we have finally officially landed in Indore. And I'm so excited to take you through the journey. So we are going to start off very light. Firstly, we'll go and grab our cab, which is waiting outside. So I'll get you there. So firstly we have to check in, and we are going. I'm look like this because danger journey kiya hai complete. Anyway, so we are waiting for our cab, and after that we are going to start it. Which is called as the Pitru Parvat, and it is just a little Hanumanji ka mandir located in the outskirts of the city. So this was the spot one. We'll go to the next right now. Hi guys. So officially now we are starting off with our day one at 3:30 p.m. Actually we should have left the house at 3, but due to circumstances and our lunch we are leaving right now. But right now we are going to watch three things. It firstly is a sari center, secondly it is a palace, and third is also a palace. So we'll be going to explore the Indore city one by one. Let's go. Hi guys, so this was the location one. It is called as the Chhatri Palace, which is basically located in the right heart of the city. The traffic is crazy in Indore, so I suggest if you're visiting Indore, please be very mindful of driving. Like talking about this Chhatri Palace, so basically it is made by the Holkar dynasty and the Holkar family. It was basically some samadhi sort of thing, which was for the king and for his son, and it's just having a Mahadev ji's mandir and a little monument created in the memory of both. So basically it was the residence of the dynasty, and it's absolutely beautiful. See the flips. Let's try this. I guess it's say again, and we have completed all of the things for day one as of now. And we have headed towards Chappan Dukan, which is located again somewhat in the outskirts of the city, but it is a food hub of like street shops. Everything you see there is food. All types of foods are here, and it's so crazy. I'm going to take you through these streets because this is something which we never get back at home, Pune, and like it is similar to the street foods. But the thing is, the space is so huge that it makes you wonder, like, how is this even possible? So I'm going to take you through this. Hi guys, welcome back. This is day 2 and we have reached our first destination of Ujjain. This is the Kal Bhairav Mandir and I'll show you. We are walking towards that. Spot 2 is the Sri Mahakal Mandir and we are heading towards it. The line is huge, it's like almost crossing a river. So if you're planning an Indore Ujjain trip, make sure that you have a lot of time for this because it is very, very crowdy and it's going to take an hour or a half. Let's go there. So huge, like I was not expecting this, and it is like a whole universe inside. Everything, it has everything. It has food zones, it has rest areas, it has light shows, it has fountains, like everything. Ujjain right now. It is called as the one of the caves, a cave, Bhartru Hari. Hi guys, so right now we are at the third location, which is a caves. I can't pronounce its name accurately. It was like Bhartrur Hari Grufa. It is located little inside the city. That's why we had a lot of trouble parking. So make sure you do that when you come here. And yeah. Chikku pulsi, guys. It is actually so creepy, guys. Not even.
Oh, this is Kala Jamun. So he's gonna eat now. Oh. So how is it? Yummy?
So hi guys, we have successfully completed our Sarafa Bazaar day 1 because we have another day when we are going to go there and have food. We ate a lot. I'm not even kidding. We ate a lot, even more than Chappan Dukan. So it was kind of like a very fulfilling evening. And now we are going to head back, have some rest, and tomorrow we are going to. It is a long day, and we are going to go to Omkareshwar Temple, one of the most important day of the trip. finally reached the Omkareshwar temple, and as you can see, it is actually very crowded. I will show you the clips ahead, but it's very, just very crowded. So we are not going to, of course, go there, but it is a beautiful experience. If you want to come here, then make sure you take a day out for this. And that's it. Hi guys, so right now I'm standing in front of one of the major warriors in the Maratha history, Maratha lineage, Maratha rulers, Bajirao Peshwa. So this is his samadhi. Samadhi यानी कि उनकी मौत का चिन्ह. This is that. And we traveled almost for like 50 kilometers to see this. So there is definitely something inside. So we are going to go and check it out.
शासक के रूप में थी जिन्होंने
day of the trip, and today we are at Mandu, Madhya Pradesh, where we are going to check out all the palaces, all the archaeological surveys, and the history of the palaces of the Madhya Pradesh, one of the most famous palaces. So right now we are at this one palace called Jahaj Palace. So it is huge, and it has like 12 points. We are going to check everything out. So let's go. Area wise, this palace is absolutely huge. I will show you everything in detail. See that this place is huge. It was made by one of the Mughal rulers who was ruling here in his reign, and it is just so huge. As you can see, just command and command and command, one after the other.
अरे डिब्बू तुम साथ में इधर उनको तो चढ़े जाएंगे ये दीदी को चढ़ जाएंगे वो ये था
Hi guys, this is Sai again, and we went to the second location in Mandu, which was the Rani Roopmati's pavilion. So basically, the story goes like Baz Bahadur, one of the finest warriors, he wanted to build a pavilion for his beloved, who is Rani Roopmati, for her to see the river Narmada from up from here. So such a romantic story. So that's why it is built. So right now we are at the third and the last location of Mandu, which is the tomb and the echo point. So apparently it is quite the same as the first one. The first one, the Taj Mahal, was wonderful. That अब जो कुछ भी देख रहे हैं, it is looking the same. It quite literally the architectures are going to be the same. Second, the first was so beautiful, Jahaz Mahal, that this is not that appealing. So you can maybe skip this if you are here. So that's the tomb, and right now, right in front of me is the echo point. We are going to go and check it out, but the architecture is same. Hi guys, so this is the last evening of our trip in Indore. Say bye, Baba.
Hi, bye.
Amma.
बाय बाय
So we are going to leave tomorrow at we have our train of 4:30 p.m. and tomorrow in the morning we are going to go visit our relatives. So it is officially the last hangout in Indore. So gonna miss this city, gonna miss this trip because it has like made our week so fun yet so far. And the last food we are going to try now. Officially, we are leaving Indore. Yeah, so it has been quite a journey. Indore was beautiful, Madhya Pradesh was beautiful, but we need to go back. Now we need to go in Indore, and Madhya Pradesh was beautiful. Indore was beautiful. I could not. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. Like it is like so and like it has so many things to see. हमने तो उसका 1/10 भी नहीं देखा है. It is like actually so beautiful and so huge. Indore में ही there are like so many things to do and so many things to watch. But yeah, we have to go. So you were good. My I think I have. This was on my wish list for like a very long time, and अब हो गया है ये, so I feel good. Bye Indore. Bye Indore. We are back. And that is the end of my vlog. I will see you next time when I'm going to travel to any places in India or abroad, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much I did record.